In this video, I will explain exactly what a compact hinge is and the different options and types that are available. So basically everything that you need to know before ordering compact hinges for your cabinetry. Now there are so many options available when it comes to cabinet door hinges, and today we will be discussing the compact style hinge. Here are some of the topics that we will be learning about in this video. The opening angle degree, self-close versus soft close, screw-on versus dowel, wraparound versus side mount, and the overlay. Let's start with the opening angle degree. It is the maximum angle that a door cabinet will open. For compact hinges, this angle can be anywhere from 105 degrees to 110 degrees. For the compact hinges, you will have two options for the type of door closing. Either self-closing, which is the standard snap closing type hinge, or you have the option of soft close, which is the nice, quiet, might I say elegant style of closing. Ah, so nice. Next, you will have the option of either screw-on or dowel. For the screw-on style, you will need number 6 by 5/8 of an inch screws to attach the hinge to the door. For the dowel style, you will need a ram insertion machine to press the hinge into the door, similar to this machine. Now let's talk about the different mounting options. We have the wraparound hinge, which is exclusively designed for face frames that are 3/4 of an inch thick. The hinge is designed to wrap around the face frame, as you see here. Now the side mount style hinge is designed to work with a face frame of any thickness. You can use this for 3/4 inch thickness face frames or beyond. And finally, the overlay. This is the measurement that the door will overlay the face frame of the cabinet. Compact cabinet door hinge overlays vary from as little as 1/4 of an inch to as much as 1 inch and 7/16, depending on your cabinetry. We also have a step-by-step video in the description down below to help you figure out your cabinet door overlay, and also a video on how to adjust your compact hinges once you have them installed and get them all nice and lined up. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you have any questions at all, please leave them down below in the comment section. We will be more than happy to assist you further. See you next video.